The kitchen, the heart of the home. It's where we cook, eat, gather. It's the epicenter of daily life. But amidst the joy, clutter can creep in. A cluttered kitchen can feel overwhelming, making it difficult to enjoy the space. Imagine this: you're rushing to make breakfast, but you can't find your favorite spatula. Pots and pans are overflowing from cabinets. The countertop disappears under a mountain of mail and random objects. Stressful, right? Now, picture this instead. You effortlessly glide through your morning routine. Everything is in its place, labeled and easy to find. Your countertops sparkle, inviting you to create culinary masterpieces. This is the power of an organized kitchen. An organized kitchen is more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a functional and enjoyable space. It's about reducing stress and making your life easier. Ready to transform your kitchen into a haven of efficiency and calm? Let's get started.
The first step to a clutter-free kitchen is tackling those countertops. It's time to reclaim your space. Start by removing everything from your countertops. Yes, everything. Next, sort through each item. Be honest with yourself. Do you really need that appliance you haven't used in a year? Toss expired food, donate unused items, and relocate anything that doesn't belong in the kitchen. Once you've decluttered, it's time to strategize. What items do you use daily? Keep those within easy reach. For less frequently used items, consider storing them in cabinets or drawers. The key is to be mindful of what you place on your countertops, ensuring they remain clutter-free. Cabinets overflowing with mismatched containers and precariously stacked pots and pans? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Optimizing cabinet space is easier than you think. First, empty your cabinets and assess your inventory. Similar to the countertop decluttering process, discard or donate anything you no longer need or use. Next, measure your cabinet shelves and invest in stackable containers, shelf risers, and turntables. These tools are game changers when it comes to maximizing space. Use clear containers to easily see what's inside and label everything. Group similar items together, baking supplies in one cabinet, pantry staples in another. Utilize vertical space by stacking dishes or using tiered organizers. With a little effort, your cabinets will transform into a model of efficiency. Drawers. Those mysterious black holes where things disappear. But fear not. Even the most chaotic drawers can be tamed with the right organizers. Start by emptying all your drawers and sorting through their contents. Similar to the previous steps, discard or donate anything you no longer need. Measure the depth and width of your drawers to find organizers that fit perfectly. Drawer dividers are essential for separating utensils, cutlery, and other small items. Use trays to store spices, tea bags, or small packets. Don't forget about vertical space. Tiered organizers are great for maximizing space within drawers. Group like items together and label everything clearly. With a little organization, your drawers will become a source of pride, not frustration.